Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be on a little adventure. We're in the Escape with my little man Nathan. Say hi, buddy. Don't be shy. So we're going to go to Canadian Tire. We're going to get some oil and an oil filter to do an oil change at Mercer's for the Great Escape. Then we got to rush on to Garage 16, where I'm going to be picking up some goodies for the 1.7 EL and hopefully get to an install today. And as you can see, I'm rocking my new spoon hat, courtesy of Garage 16. This thing's pretty cool. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're done going to Canadian Tire. We picked up some oil, picked up some goodies for the EL from Garage 16. Nathan got something too. Nathan, you want to show everybody what you got?
I got an S2000.
That's right, you got an S2000 from the Fast and Furious, the little Hot Wheel diecast. So we're going to get started. We're going to meet up with Kevin and Justin, hopefully, and start getting some stuff installed on the EL. Hey, welcome back, guys. So we're here with Kevin.
What's up, YouTube?
That's right, YouTube. And we're going to get ready to install some of the goodies that we got at G16 earlier today on Ashley's car. Which is a Mugen power banner and some Downstar valve cover hardware set. Something simple for today. Give it a little bit of a nicer look and everything, change it up a little bit. And let's get to it. Hey guys, so as you can see, we placed it in where we want it. Put a little bit of tape to secure it properly down. And that's pretty much what it's going to look like before we trim it. And I think it's going to look really dope. So we're going to start cutting it, outlining it to the windshield, and we'll show you once it's done. Alright everyone, so we finished trimming it up. It's, not 100%, it's like 97%. This thing is a pain when you're doing it, but I love this banner already. This thing looks so good on the silver car. Also, may have forgot to mention, we did a one-off on these EL grills, aka Carbon Fiber on Instagram. I'll put her somewhere there. and she did the chrome trim, I guess you would call it, on the grill into carbon, and it looks fantastic on Ashley's EL. And we are about to get started on the valve cover dress up kit, and little Audi TT driving by us. Thanks to the man Kevin for the help with the banner, as always. This guy's great. And let's get to it. All right. So the engine bay is not the cleanest, but it's getting there. We have ourselves a set of Spec D headers from eBay. Very good. No name intake, new speed strut tower bar, and we've been trying to clean up the engine bay a little bit, thanks to the man Kevin and his degreaser. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking off this cover and taking out all these little bolts and replacing them with the Downstar hardware kit. So they're starting to look really nice on the valve cover. See, if it was like the D16 and it didn't have all this coil pack stuff, it would have been nicer, but I do love the coil pack setup. It just sucks how they ran it on the D17. But there's a lot of big plans for this, and hopefully by next season it is boosted, and that's gonna be a fun video all on its own. All right, we are all done. Look at that nice silver polished dress up kits. It's a nice little touch for any motor accessory that you want to do. You know, we did the 0405 EL headlights. They are like a Type R style, like a chrome gunmetal, as opposed to the silver ones that come in the 0103. We put a Brom purple toe strap. That's kind of actually theme on this car. It's purple and silver and whatnot, and we dubbed it Project Mugen EL. There's a lot of more Mugen accessories we're going to be doing on it. The carbon winglets, picked this up off a local guy for 60 bucks. Just got to get them redone. When I hit up AK Carbon Fibers, she's gonna make them all lovely again. Maybe possibly sometime in the winter time when don't really need them on. We retrofitted the 0405, oh wow, my bad, my 94 Accord old fog lights to give it that Honda Domani look, and full A-spec kit. This car really has started coming a long way from when I first purchased it for Ashley, and we're still not done. His and hers. Thanks for tuning in. I know it wasn't a crazy install, just you know, a nice little touch, subtle. Make a nice video for you guys. Introduce Ashley's car to the channel. You know, keep you guys in the know. As always, thank you to Mr. Kevin for being our front yard mechanic. And yeah, until next time, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, most importantly, to the channel. Your support will help me get better equipment to make the channel and the videos a lot better. So thanks once again, and